Okay, Yat A. This is Navajo 1, Lesson 15. This will be aired on 16th. Huelte. So let's go right into it. All right, first part. Huelte. What does that really mean? The neck at you. The neck at you. Huelte. Struggling hard times. Will ya? So that's what huelte means. It means hard times at the place of hard times. Huelte. Huelte. Scary and hard time. Okay, the next one. Soto is from Fort Defiance. Soto Dahatilte. That's where they started walking from, right there. Soto Dahatilte. And then the next place they went, so they went towards, from Fort Wingate, they went towards Albuquerque. Okay, that's a long walk, even just to Albuquerque. I'll tell you about the definition of that word. And so those are the things that I can tell you details of. And then the next one is the ne. Go in the huis na when they were there. Go real hard. Not just hard, really hard. Go in the huis na. Okay, so next one. Disk as ko, disk as go. Dahadil is really bad. Dahadil they started off when it was cold. I think it was around March when winter was just barely over. Next, then Benadani leaders, their leaders, the people's leaders. Ashto also Tejuko, Huelteco towards Huelte. Daskai, they went also towards it, up to that direction. Okay. Next, we have Nalsosana. This is a very, very important name. In 1868, a treaty was signed. It's called Nalsosana. Baka on it. Baka Hames Adajila. People, leaders made their names. This treaty allowed them to come back. Okay, so we'll see you in class. Okay, she went to the store.